Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 11th CBSE Maths Linear Inequalities exercise 6.3 question number 10. Let's see the question. Solve the following inequalities graphically. So we are going to solve it in graph. Here 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 60, x plus 3y is less than or equal to 30, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. So we can't solve it by linear inequalities. So we are going to take this equation to be 3x plus 4y as an equation is equal to 60. Here x plus 3y is equal to 30. Here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Substitute the value of x and find for y. If I substitute x to be 0, y will be equal to 20. If I substitute y to be equal to 0, so this becomes 15. Here it becomes 20. 15 and 20 of x. Same way, substitute the value of x to be 0, y will be equal to 10. If I substitute y to be equal to 0, x will be equal to 30. The same way for x and y, if x is 0, y can be of any number. Y can be of any number, my x will be equal to 0. Same way for y, for the fourth equation, y is equal to 0. So if you substitute any value of x, y will be equal to 0. Now let us plot in the graph. I have taken the markings to be 5 in terms of 5 multiples of 5. So it's 0 comma 15. So 0 comma 15 is here. 20 comma 0 is here. This is the first linear graph. Now for the second one, 0, 10, 30, 0. This is your second graph. If the number is very big, very huge, take the graph in the multiples of 5, 2 or whatever we want, so that we can easily mark it. Now 0 comma 0 or 5 comma 0. I am taking this to be 5. So 5, 0 comma 0 is here. Next 0 comma 5. So my graph will be of this x-axis, y-axis. For the second one, it will be on the x-axis. These are the 4 graphs. Now take any point. I am going to take 5 comma 5 because it is not on the origin. So taking 5 comma 5. For this 2, take 5 comma 5 as the point. For this 2, take origin as a point, so that we can do the calculation easily. Substituting 0 comma 0 here on the first and second, we get 0 is less than or equal to 60. Here 0 is less than or equal to 30, which is true because 0 is less than 60. No need to take off the see the equal symbol, just see the greater than or less than symbol, which is true over here. For the next one, for the third and fourth, I am going to substitute 5 comma 5 as a point. If it is 5 comma 5, then 5 is greater than or equal to 0. Even this is true. Here 5 is greater than or equal to 0. Even this is true. So everything is true. So therefore the shaded region should be towards the point taken. Should be towards the point we have taken. Because we have taken different points for this 2 and different for this 2. So it should be towards the point. For the first thing, it should be towards means it will be here. For the second thing also, it's here. For this, it is here because 5 comma 5 is here, so it's here. And for the x-axis, it is here. So mark only the region where 4 intersects. That is more than enough. Now for this graph, for this one. And for this one, do different shading so that you can identify it easily. So this is the part where everything intersect. So the common shaded region will be here. This is the solution of the given inequalities. So the common shaded region, therefore the common shaded region shows the solution of the inequalities will be your final answer for the graph. That's all with the sum. Thank you.